Nestled on a 3/4-acre landscaped lot, you'll find this gorgeous custom-built home in the sought-after Edgecliff gated community. Surrounded by other high-end homes, you'll love this quiet, serene, and convenient location. Head inside and discover a spacious, open floor plan with modern amenities throughout. Large windows and high ceilings maximize natural light. The chef's kitchen features granite counters, stainless appliances, a pantry, a gas cooktop, and breakfast nook. The floor plan has an easy flow for entertaining. The privately located master suite has direct access to the patio and a sumptuous master bath with a dual sink vanity, contemporary tub, and tile shower. French doors open to the main level office. You'll find 2 more main level bedrooms, plus another full bath. On the upper level, a huge bonus room could be used as a 4th bedroom. The beautifully landscaped yard offers year-round entertaining with a large covered patio, an inviting gas fire pit, gentle pathways, irrigation, and raised beds for gardening. You'll also enjoy an oversized 3-car garage with extra storage. An exceptional custom Craftsman home in a gated community. You'll find it all here on Sunterra Drive, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.